Relax, Bruno. Relax. Let me do this one video. Let me do this one video, then I'll take you for a walk. Okay, Bruno? Good boy. Hello guys, welcome back to Ian's Gadget. In today's video, I'll be doing the rinse plus spin cycle. Now I've gotten lots of messages from my subscribers requesting me to do the rinse plus the spin cycle. And so here at Ian's Gadgets, I normally say you ask it, you get it. So without much ado, let's get into today's video. If you wash your laundry by hands, you may need it rinsed and spun in the washing machine. That's where the rinse and spin cycle comes in. It may be that you used a lot of detergent than required and your clothes came out feeling still soapy. You can use the rinse and spin functionality on your washer to give them another rinse and spin before drying them. It could come in handy if you've been swimming and get back with a load of wet swimming costumes. You can use your machine to simply rinse and spin them, followed by hanging them to dry. Do stay with me as I run this rinse and spin cycle. While at it, smash that like button and support your guy here. I'll truly appreciate. As you can see, the machine is taking in water. As you can see, it's taking in water. I don't know, and rinsing the clothes, you know.
So it's just one rinse, then it will be spinning at 1200 revolutions per minute, and that is the highest, maximum speed for this Samsung 8kg EcoBubble washing machine. So you're remaining with around 14 minutes to go for this rinse plus spin cycle. So as you can hear, it's draining water. Yeah, all the water is drained. All the water is drained, As you can see, it's draining. Yeah. And we're remaining with 12 minutes. Okay. So now we've begun the spin, and it will be spinning at 1200 RPM. And you see, when it spins, it kind of dries the clothes, And normally, the higher the RPMs, the more dry the clothes will be after the spin. So you have machines that spin at 1600 RPMs. Now, those ones, they give you clothes that won't take a long time on the line, okay, or when it comes to drying, So it also depends with the speed, yeah. So like for this Samsung EcoBubble 8kg that I'm using here, its maximum spin is of 1200 RPMs. So let's see how this fares, okay. And guys, please subscribe to this channel. Also like my videos, and also give comments, to push these videos for more people to have an opportunity of getting to see how these machines and more gadgets operate. I share my experiences with gadgets, from cameras, televisions, washing machines, dishwashers, and more of my gadgets. These are just the gadgets that I've bought. I use them for every day with my family. We use them every day. So I do once in a while a video and share my experience with these gadgets. So support your guy here. I truly appreciate if you support me, okay? I don't take it for granted. And for all my subscribers, I say thank you. Thank you a lot. You mean a lot to me, and I won't let you down. I'll keep churning content, keep buying machines, reviewing them, testing them, and also helping to fix some minor errors, so that you don't always go for professional, You save that $1 or $2 or $3. And that's how world should be. So the speed is increasing momentarily, and I know it will be going very, very fast. Listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to that. So fast. And we are remaining with 9 minutes to complete this cycle. The spin plus the rinse plus spin cycle. Just 9 minutes to go. So let's see how it fares. Oh, it's spinning so fast, as you can see. Oh, it's so fast, So fast, as you can see. That's 1,200 RPMs. So it's doing its maximum speed. What? And as you can see, this machine is vibrating now because this is a new location, and when I moved I did have a spirit level to make sure that the machine is leveled. So after this video I will kinda adjust the legs using a spirit level to make sure that it's not vibrating like this. It's my first time using this machine after moving it to this new location here. But it's not that bad, but I need to do a bit of adjusting the stance, So guys, we're only remaining with 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes to go. We are done here. 4 minutes to go. We are through it spinning. As you can see, we're just remaining with 1 minute left. So guys, we've just come to the end of this wash. So this was a rinse plus spin cycle, and many people had requested I do this, so to honor them, I just did this rinse plus spin cycle. So just waiting for the beep, and we'll be able to open the door and remove our laundry. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. As you can see, we've come to the end of our rinse plus spin cycle, and now after this beep, we'll just open the door and get our laundry. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of today's video. As you can see, these clothes, they're good. They're almost dry. As you can see, they're just almost dry. They're good. So we've come to the end of today's video. Until the next time, in the next one, bye bye.